Hi, I'm Lloyd. You might have seen me before the time I made history. They even gave me the signing certificate. This piece of paper is also important. The health profile is for people with a learning disability.
It's a booklet that gives healthcare staff, like doctors and nurses, important information about you, such as how to communicate with you, your medication, your allergies, and much more. You can fill in the health profile yourself or ask for help from friends, family, carers, or support staff.
I keep my health profile up to date and take it with me when I leave the house. Even when I'm going to training for my next record.
Be like Lloyd. If you have a learning disability, complete your health profile today. Visit www.improvementcymru.net/health-profile.